Ready to start your coding journey? Let's set up Visual Studio Code, the world's most popular code editor. First, head to your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Look for the official link from Microsoft to ensure a safe download. On the download page, you will see options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Simply select the version that matches your operating system. Run the installer and follow the prompts. In just a few moments, your professional development environment will be fully installed and ready. Once it opens, you are greeted with a sleek interface. You can now write your first Hello World and start building amazing projects. That's it. Your workspace is ready for your big ideas. Happy coding and welcome to the developer community.